How to apply audio filters in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. From the main dashboard, tap on Effects, then import the audio file that you want to apply filters to. Here you will find several effects such as chorus, Crystalizer, bass and treble, Tremolo, Vibrato, 3D effect, echo, compressor, phaser, and many more. Select any effect you want to apply. For each effect, you will see additional options to adjust settings like intensity, depth, and other parameters. Play the audio while adjusting the settings to preview the changes in real time and ensure the effects sound perfect. Once satisfied with the applied filters, tap the Save button to apply the changes permanently. The audio file will be saved on your device, ready for further editing, sharing, or use in your projects. Applying audio filters in AudioLab allows you to enhance music, podcast, or recordings with professional sounding effect. Now you know how to apply audio filters in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.